Over the years, I've become a bit of a trail cam connoisseur. I've got a decent collection of trail cameras, and they all have one thing in common: low quality mounting straps. It isn't fun trying to strap down trail cams in the winter, so I wanted a better solution, and I found one. So today we're taking a look at my new heavy-duty trail cam straps from Wildares. Inside, you have 4 super heavy-duty straps. All my trail cams get an upgrade. The straps are made out of a high tensile strength nylon, with a max load capacity of 600 pounds. They come complete with easy release clamps, with strong teeth that hold your strap in place. They're made out of a weather-resistant zinc alloy. It's super durable and it will take a beating. They are so strong that they advertise them to strap down trucks and even secure motorcycles. Now, all of the trail cams I've tested have this little slot in the back. They come with bungee cords, those weird hooks you have to loop and tuck the strap through, or they do actually have a clamp, but it's made from plastic, and the strap is weak. These straps fit right into the back of all of my trail cameras, and make them instantly stronger and more secure. The straps are also 6.6 feet long. This means I can wrap the trail cam around stronger trees now. In the past, my straps were so weak that I would have to mount them on skinnier trees that would blow in the wind. It's not only annoying to watch shaky footage, but you get a lot of false activations on trail cams from trees shaking. Now I can easily strap to sturdier trees and get better shots. The pack of 4 straps allows me to use all of my trail cameras in good locations at once. It's been so fun having multiple angles of the same scene. I'm really impressed with the high quality clamp. It really has some strength to it, and the nylon straps just look nice. When they shine in the light like that, you could just tell it's high quality. So if you're looking to up your trail cam game, ditch your old straps and consider this awesome pack of straps from Wildares. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go see what other spots I can mount my trail camera. See ya!